You need to hear this if you want to start dividend investing. You see, dividend investing is not for everyone. Hindi ito para sa iyo if yung gusto mo is kumita ng 20%, 50%, or 100% sa price action niya. Most dividend stocks kasi, they are not growth stocks, meaning you can expect na mag-shoot up yung price niya. Hindi din ito para sa iyo if yung goal mo is to buy and sell. Dividend investing kasi is like buying a property tapos ipaparent mo siya tapos collect ka lang ng rental income. So meaning you need to find dividend stocks na you are willing to hold forever tapos collect ka lang ng dividends. And lastly, hindi ito para sa iyo if habol mo is passive income kasi meron ka pa rin gagawin. As a part owner, kailangan mo pa rin i-check yung mga fundamentals ng company, if profitable ba sila, if namamanage ba yung kanilang mga utang, kasi the more profitable they are, the more you are guaranteed na may marireceive ka na consistent dividends. So, let me ask you, do you think dividend investing ba is for you or hindi?